Here are 5 things you didn't know about yawning. First, scientists still have no clue why humans actually yawn despite studying it for decades. Multiple theories exist, but none can fully explain this basic human behavior. Second, yawning has nothing to do with getting more oxygen into your body. Studies prove there's zero connection between oxygen levels in your blood and how often you yawn. Third, just reading the word yawn right now probably made 60% of you actually yawn. It's so contagious that even thinking about it triggers the response immediately. Fourth, babies yawn inside the womb before they're even born. They have no air to breathe, yet they're already yawning, proving it serves some mysterious biological purpose we don't understand. Fifth, dogs will yawn when they see humans yawn, but psychopaths won't catch yawns from other people. This means yawning requires empathy mechanisms that science barely comprehends. Your brain is wired in ways we're still trying to figure out.